Breaking immigration news. The Supreme Court has literally said that ICE can just stop anybody in the United States for being brown, for speaking a different language, and for suspicion that they are undocumented. This is what you need to know. You can still remain silent. Remember, you have a right to remain silent. You have a constitutional right to remain silent. That means that even though immigration has a right to ask you your status, that doesn't mean that you don't have a right to remain silent. So you can simply remain silent. Then the ICE officer has to decide, do I have enough evidence to detain this person, put him in handcuffs, take him into detention, and determine their identity without you opening your mouth and giving your identity. So this is always a choice for you to make. You don't have legal status until you have legal status. What I'm saying is, even though you have an application pending, doesn't mean that you have status. However, I think it's important to take pictures of documents that you have, for example, receipt notices, a work permit, any document that you have, so that you can, if you need to, show Immigration and Customs Enforcement. You should definitely take pictures of this and send this to your significant others so that they have a copy. In the event you have to prove something to the immigration officers, then somebody else besides you has it, because of course they're going to take those documents from you if they detain you, so that you need to make sure you have someone else who could contact ICE and show those documents to ICE. In the meantime, you need to get a binder together. If you've been in the United States 10 years or more, you need to put proof of that information inside a binder, kids' birth certificates, any sort of tickets you have, utility bills, bank statements, tax records, medical records, any employment records, every single thing you have. Start from today and go 10 years back. Put that binder together, give it to somebody, make a copy. And in there, you need to put copies of your children's birth certificates if they're U.S. citizens, your spouse's birth certificate if they are a citizen, if your spouse is a resident, proof of the residency, if your parents are residents or U.S. citizens, proof of that too. Because you still have relief before the immigration judge to get your green card if you can show 10 years of physical presence in the U.S. and hardship to qualifying relatives being the ones I just discussed. No, and I don't think you should go on September 15th and 16th and celebrate Mexican Independence Day. I think you just need to skip this. Just like we did stuff in the pandemic, we skipped it for our own health. We're just going to have to do that this year until the case goes back up to the Supreme Court and we get a final decision on that. Stay safe. Please like, share, and follow. I am Gloria Cardenas, the Immigration Queen.